So hello again. Welcome to the Canadian Electrical Code Masterclass Service Series, OESC 2024. Tonight we're breaking down breaker sizing, grounding, bonding, and Canadian Electrical Code Section 26700 and Section 30. We'll be looking at breaker calculation, neutral isolation, and grounding plates, bonding straps, and lightning requirements. So I'm going to start off with one video here just to get myself prepped. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Please and thank you. It helps with the algorithm, helps to get my channel out into the YouTube world. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream with Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Hmm? So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So let's dive right into it. What I'm doing today is going to be an installation. It's going to be the installation of the 400 amp disconnect. The disconnect is mounted already, and what I use for the installation is simply bolts. I made sure I secured the 2x4 on the back end to give it the extra secure to the wall, firm and nice. I don't want the electrical installation to come off the wall in any type or sort. Again, the cable, the electrical conduit that I'm using is going to be the AC conductor. We call it tech cable, and there are parallel runs that's being run from the outdoor meter base. Again, what I like to do with installation like this is I like to make sure that I keep that white sheeting that's there on before I like to keep it on once I land my conductors inside of the panel. I'm going to remove that white sheeting. I also make sure to put my ground bushing on first. This installation is going to come with the ground bushing connection. Reason being is the ground wire has to be grounded off to the actual ground clamp. Ground connection has to be grounded off. I have to make sure that, as you can see in the on the left hand side, you're going to see the other installation. You're going to see my wire is grounded off onto the ground bushing. It is in code compliance. It is a code rule that states that. It is inside of the electrical code book where you would find it. You just have to search. And again, if for all those who are pretty interested in the video, all the apprentices out there, all the journeymans, all the master electricians, DIY guys, homeowners, if you ever need to find out a code rule and you simply cannot find it, you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, and I would guide you through the process. So again, the installation reason that the disconnect is here and not the 400 amp panel is because of the code rule that states anything that's within 5 feet of the electrical panel of the meter base shall have a shall have a installation of the panel right away. But when it comes to any installation, electrical installation, that's more than 5 feet away from the actual electrical disconnect that's located outside of the home. It has to have a means of disconnect. So the main electrical 400 amp panel is located inside of the electrical room, inside of the basement of the home, and it's more than 40 feet away from the meter base. So the reason is I have to install my disconnect per code for my to stay within my electrical code compliance. So as you can see, the reason why I stated that I like to keep the white paper on is it simply helps with the cable. As you can see, the cable is locked in place. Once you disassemble that, it gives you a lot more problems to get the cable inside of the connector. So again, that's why I always make sure I land my cables inside of the disconnect, inside of the connectors, and I make sure that I remove that. Then what I go ahead and do is I simply ground off my I do my groundings. So this is a grounding and bonding installation. There are two different things when it comes to bonding and grounding. Serve two different applications. So never get that confused. Also, you're going to see I have my phasing tape on my cable. Reason is this cable does not come with identify neutral, and in the code book it simply states that your incoming neutral has to be identified. There is a rule where you electrical code rule, code compliance, that states that a particular size of cable we must identify up to. So this is what I am doing here, identifying my conductors with the white tape that is being used. It's always best to have also your line and loads coming in to be separated. Never have them touching each other. It is a code compliance rule that states that your feed that's coming in, your main feed, is not supposed to come in contact with your actual load side that's going out. So for this reason, you're going to see the installation. I'm also going to be using my flat screwdrivers, Robbie screwdriver. Most of the time in this installation, I use my bigger screwdrivers to get the full torquing. Again, also what I like to use is my Milwaukee drills. Very handy, never fails me, gets the job done on a daily basis. Also, set of Allen keys is what is required. A lot of times I use my regular Allen key sets for installation like this. When it comes to the outdoor meter base, I often use another Allen key. It's more of a bigger Allen key that I have. Hopefully I can get to show you guys that on one of my videos. It comes in handy, gets the job done, helps with the risk a lot when it comes to the installation. So again, also this is a part of my videos. There are other videos that I have out there that are has the full installation when it comes to landing my wires. It does have the full installation. You just have to check through my videos to find the other part of this installation. There are many other parts to it, about 3 or 4 other videos that's there. And again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into Fabian Electrical. And again, don't forget to like up the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, or you can also become a member, and I will catch you guys on the next installation from Fabian Electrical. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. And that was just a intro video that I started off with. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. And tonight we're going to be going through some code, breaker sizing, grounded and bounding, Canadian electrical code. We're going to be working off of the OESC 2024, and we're going to also get into section 26700, section 30, and we're going to talk about sub panels and neutral installations. And for now, I'm going to go into section 14606, which is a panel board location rule. So we're going to take a look at that rule. So again, if you take a look at the bottom, it's going to say 14-606, and that is another rule that we have to look out for, and it's basically a rule that states it's a panel board rule, and it's a location rule, 14-606, and it basically says except for panel boards where more than 90% of the overcurrent devices supply feeders or motor branch circuits, every panel board shall be protected on the supplied side by overcurrent device having a rating not greater than that of the panel board. The overcurrent protection required by sub-rule 1 shall be permitted to be in the primary of a transformer supplying the panel board, provided that the panel board rating in amperes is not less than the overcurrent rating amperes multiplied by the ratio of the primary to the secondary voltage. So again, sub-rule 1, it says except for panel boards where more than 90% of the overcurrent devices supply feeders or motor branch circuits, every panel board shall be protected on the supply side by overcurrent device having a rating not greater than that of the actual panel board. So that's one of the rules that I want to touch base on. I'm going to head over to 26400, and so again, welcome back to the channel. You guys are tuned into Fabian Electrical Services Inc. And again, we're going over the OESC code rules 2024. And we're going to head over to the section 26400 for a second here. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live, very important. So again, 26400 is called lighting arresters. Okay, so 26400 sub-rule 1, it says lighting arresters shall be installed in every distribution substation in locations where lighting distribution occur frequently and no other adequate protection is provided. Also goes on to say lighting arresters installed for the protection of utilization equipments BA shall be permitted to be installed either inside or outside the building or enclosure containing the equipment to be protected and shall be isolated by elevation, enclosed, or otherwise made inaccessible to authorized persons. So that is section 26 400. We're going to stroll over to actually it's right here 26 4.2, and that rule simply states indoor installation of lighting arresters, and it says rear lightning arresters are installed in a building. They shall be located well away from all equipment other than that which they protect, and from passageways and combustible parts of building. So it also states that rear lightning arresters containing oil are installed in a building. They shall be separated from other equipment by walls conforming to electrical equipment and vault construction requirements in accordance with rules 26-350 to 26-356. So if I go back to that rule, it's sending us back there for a reason. So as you can see, I believe rules 2660, 26, that's where it's sending us over to this rule here, where you're going to pretty much be reading it up and see what information you can grab out of there. So I'm going to, again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream today. As you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream, very important. And I'm going to run another video, and then I'm going to head back into the code book here. So again, I'm going to be running the video here. As you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. I'd like to thank Fabian Wifey for Life for always also checking into the live stream. Again, welcome you guys back to the channel. And again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. And this video is simply about removing a panel board. And again, what I do when I do my removal, I always make sure that my 100 amp panel or my 400 amp panel, I always make sure that I label the wires when I'm removing them to do a service upgrade.